Hello and welcome to our final My Daily Routine for Survey Sites to Pay Part 8. This is the very last video we're going to do for the day. It is called My Daily Routine for Survey Sites to Pay Part 8. And this is the 8th survey site we're going to talk about today. It's called Fusion Cash. I really hope you guys like it. There's multiple things you can do on here, but I'm going to share with you my daily routine, show you guys where to find everything, and what you can do on the site to earn your points and get to your cash out faster. Okay, so for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Velvet Davis. My YouTube channel name is Financial Freedom, and I created that name because I want you guys to be financially free with me because I can help you guys make money online. If you like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video. Okay, let's get into the video. Fusion Cash is a site that's been around for a while. I signed up back in 2018, I believe, and I haven't really used the site. I just started using it like a couple days ago, and I like it. I really like it. It is a good site. So let me just show you what I do. Okay. So when I come on here, what I do is I go to no credit card needed. Click on that, and what I do is I scroll down and I look for things that I can do. Okay. So what I did today was I did tap research. Now you guys know tap research. For those of you that don't know, tap research is a survey platform that gives you disqualification points. Um, 2 points on here basically. Actually, it gives you a lot. I earned 18 cents today, 18 points altogether today. So this is really good for you guys. I really recommend tap research. Okay. So that's the first thing I do. I do all my tap research surveys, and then I come on here and I go to repeatable daily, and I look through here to see if there's anything I want to do, and I really don't see nothing I want to do, so I go back up here and I go to videos. You can choose if you want to do the videos, you can. It just tells you what to do on here. Um, Things have changed since I've been on the site, but I just do the tap research surveys. I do the pay to click. So what you do is right now, um, usually earn 15 cents. It's not showing it right now just because it's a little late and it's not really showing everything yet, but it's 15 cents. Um, so, but it's saying that I have to basically earn bonus credits of up to 5 cents before I can start doing the pay to click. So when I get that, I will come back on here and talk more about the pay to click. But next we're going to talk about, so what I talked about was um, survey, tap research surveys, and pay to click. And now we're going to go to the survey, the actual surveys, the Fusion Cash surveys. Pay attention to this, you guys. You see all these surveys with a dollar sign on them? That means you're going to get 1 cent. 1 cent disqualification point. And that is a lot. If you count up these surveys, you'll notice every single one of them has a dollar sign next to it. That's a good thing. You get up 1 cent for each one. Okay? So, basically, that's basically it. So, let me see something else here. Let's see. Get out. Let's see. This is where you guys can, I think, go to frequently asked questions. Let me see. I think this is where you go. Let me see. Okay. My account. this basically just shows you that, you know, this shows you what I've done and what I've gotten approved for. I've done tap research and I've gotten sign-ups and everything. And when you get to $25, you can cash out. Okay? But in order to cash out, here's the thing. Let me click on this cash out so I can show you. Your balance must be at least $25 and at least $15 of your balance must come from non-bonus credits. So bonus credits are basically the ones like the Fusion Cash surveys, tap research are bonus credits. Paid to click is bonus. If you do anything else that's non-bonus, which doesn't have like a dollar sign next to it, that doesn't say they have the word bonus into it, next to it, then that's considered a non-bonus. Okay? Let me see. So I hope you guys understand that. Um, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to find. Okay. Well, couldn't really find what I was looking for, but you guys kind of get it. You know, my daily routine on here is just doing the Fusion Cash surveys, doing all of those for 1 cent. There's like 20 something of them. A lot. That's like 20 cents a day. Um, I can do pay to click, which is not hard. I can do the repeatable daily, the no credit card required if I wanted to. But I just mainly do the tap research surveys, the pay to click, and the Fusion Cash surveys because that's easier for me to do. You guys can also look for other things to do. That's up to you though. I choose to do tap research surveys, Fusion Cash, and pay to click. Okay. That's basically what I choose to do on here because it's easier. So, if you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get to them. And let me know if you like my 8-part series. My daily routine for survey sites to pay, part 8 video. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And I will see you guys in future videos. Take care. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Hit the notification bell for future videos. And that concludes our 8-part series of my daily routine for survey sites to pay. Take care, you guys.